In manual batching, quality and consistency are everything. At Mettler Toledo, we know our customers are looking for ways to improve efficiency and cut costs without sacrificing quality in manual recipes. Look no further. Introducing IND780batch, the new controller from Mettler Toledo with manual batch support. In any industry that requires manual batching, whether it's food and beverage, chemical, or plastics, your operators can rely on IND780batch for high-quality, consistent output and less waste. IND780batch guides operators through each step of the process from recipe selection to batch completion. With the intuitive Batch Tool 780 software, IND780batch users can create and modify recipes from a PC and upload them to multiple terminals via the Ethernet connection on the controller. Flexibility is key in manual batching and dispensing. Operators have many options when working with IND780batch. The soft keys on the terminal keypad can be used to navigate the data display and start the recipe. Operators can also enter data using a QWERTY keyboard or a barcode scanner. Operator login capability allows IND780batch to track the operators using the system and monitor the permission levels granted to each operator. Certain tasks, such as aborting a batch, can be programmed to require specific permissions. Once the operator enters a batch lot number, the powerful material verification functions of the IND780batch controller provide guidance through each step of the recipe sequence. Every ingredient is indicated on screen and verified by entering the material ID manually or using a barcode scanner. IND780batch handles material transfers with its innovative Smart Track display, which clearly identifies the target weight and tolerance range of each ingredient. Smart Track makes it easy to hit material targets without exceeding recipe limits. At the end of each step, on-screen prompts require operator input to advance to the next recipe component. This promotes high-quality material additions and ensures that each step is completed according to the recipe. If a feed is off tolerance, the batch system goes into adjust mode, allowing the operator to bring the feed into tolerance before moving on to the next step. Depending on the access levels enabled through the security controls, operators can pause or cancel the batch or choose to continue without modification. Throughout the order, IND780batch stores data in the batch history record. Flexible reporting options through Batch Tool 780 allow users to track and trace material data. Data can be exported and analyzed to further improve batch quality over time. If you're looking for an advanced batching controller that will improve batch quality, reduce material waste, and assure process consistency in your manual operation, look no further than IND780batch. You'll be amazed at what it can do. For more information about IND780batch, visit www.mt.com/IND780batch or contact your local Mettler Toledo sales representative.